Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Gdevelop 5. So in this tutorial we will try to create the classic snake game. Let's start by creating an empty project. Now add a scene. Let's create a sprite, head, let's create it orange, I guess. Okay, resize the picture at 30 pixel. Now apply. Same again, tail, make it yellow, I guess. Okay, now let's make it 30 pixel, resize, tail, save, apply. Now let's create our food. Make it red, resize it to 30 pixel, rename the assets to food, save. Let's create a text object so that we can see the score. 30, no 50. Okay, bold, apply. Now come to event sheet, add a group, game, add some event, add condition at the beginning of the scene, add action, create an object, head 0 0. Okay, hold control, drag it down, food, random with steps. Okay, 0 570 30 step. Okay, copy, paste. Okay, same for score. Okay, now let's go to properties, make it 600, platform default. Okay, now come to event sheet, add a group, control. Okay, add another for movement. Okay, let's add some variable to our head. 4 variable, I guess. Okay, up, down, left, right. Okay, 0 0 0 0, apply. Add another to tail, UID. Okay, apply. Let's add 2 scene variable for score, 0. Let's make it tail ID 0, apply. Okay, now let's add a key, up. Okay, let's do the movement first. Right, let's add a timer, RTB. Okay, now add a condition, value of a timer 0.1, RTB. Okay, add some sub event, add condition, value of a object variable head up equal to 1, hold control, drag it down, hold control, drag it down, add some more events, left and right. Okay, save. Add another condition, or this is for our tail movement. Hold control and drag this down. Okay, now let's add some action. Position, okay, height. Hold control, drag it down. Same for X. Subtract, add. Okay, so let's create an object tail, head dot x, head dot y, base layer. Okay, value, modify tail uid equal to variable tail id. Now we have to increase the tail id with 1, so value of a scene variable tail id, add 1. Okay, save. Let's add event, reset the timer, RTB. Oops, RTB. Okay, now our movement script is done. Let's add some event. Down, left, right. Okay, so let's prevent player from pressing other keys. Okay, now add value of a object variable head up, down, not equal to 1. Okay, save, drag it down, up, drag it down, left, drag it down, or it will be right, okay, left. Okay, save. Now add some sub event to this. Now add action value of, sorry, modify head up equal to 1. Okay, drag it down, down, left, drag it down, right. Okay, now add condition value of the object variable head up is equal to 1, then down, left, right. Okay, now drag left and right here, make this 0, 0, hold this and here. Now up and down, drag it down, make it 0, 0. Okay, done. Our control function is done. Now add another group for food, add sub event, other. Okay, now add condition, collision, head with food, add action, position, food equal to. Now copy it and paste. Okay, so this needs to be checked. Okay, now add another event. Okay, drag it down, make it tail, change the scene to new scene. Yes, okay. And now value of a single variable score set to add 1. Okay, now add a for each tail, add condition value of a object variable tail uid less or equal to variable tail id minus variable score minus 1. Okay, so now delete tail. Okay, add event, add condition, position y less than -1. Okay, add some more, drag it down, greater or equal to screen white, screen height. Okay, let's make it x and let's make it screen white. Okay, greater or equal to. Okay, now add action, position y head equals to scene white white. Okay, save. Okay, drag it down, make it 0. Okay, drag it down, make it X. Okay, make it X. We are almost done, guys. Okay, now add another event, modify the text score equal to string variable score. Okay, so okay, save. Now delete this. Okay, it's all done. Hit preview. Voila, our game is working totally fine.
Nice.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you.